Hey everyone, I'm John from Garden Savvy. Welcome to a Hortisketch mini tutorial. In this video, we are covering basic navigation in garden planning. After creating a plan in Hortisketch, click and drag on the screen to navigate around the canvas. To zoom in and out, use the scroll wheel on your mouse. If you're on a laptop without a mouse, utilize the plus and minus magnifier icons on the bottom right to zoom. To start planning your garden, locate the icon drop-down menu. Click on the menu and browse to the various icons. Hortisketch has icons for animals, exotic plants, flowers, fruits, herbs, structures, terrain, tropicals, vegetables, and woody perennials. We're always adding new icons, so if the plants you're looking for are not available, shoot us an email requesting to add it. I believe all great garden plans start with a foundation, so I recommend you access the structures or terrain tabs first to lay out your property or your garden beds. If you wish to create a custom structure or custom raised bed, please utilize the Create tool found at the top. To learn about the Create tool, please watch our other tutorial video on creating raised beds and utilizing the Create tool. Once you have selected the icons you wish to work with, simply drag and drop the icons onto the canvas. Utilize the squares on the icon containers to scale or rotate the icons. That's it for this video. If you still need help, check out our tutorial video library for more tutorial videos, or email us at info@gardensavvy.com.